that's, yeah. I still...
So we've introduced the idea of the distributive rule. Now, distributive rule, let me just write up some versions. You see lots of versions. It might be written as x outside of y plus z. So this time, instead of multiplying at the rear, I'm multiplying at the front of the brackets. It makes no difference. So what would you write if that was the form? Sometimes it might be written as a in brackets b plus c, which is slightly different use of the letters. B and c are the two terms inside the bracket instead of a plus b in my version. So hopefully you go, well, whatever's outside we multiply the inside, so we get x times y x times z. This time I'm going a times b and then a times c.
When Victoria comes in, does she use her own computer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do some examples applying the distributive rule. So here's some examples.
No computer in there.
So let's expand these algebraic expressions using the distributive law. It's probably easier. Textbook will often draw lines in like this. Keep in mind, think 3 outside the brackets is saying 3 times whatever's in the brackets.
Yeah, I'll look forward to it.
So write something like this. This is what we're looking for. 3 multiplied by x.
You just say things just off the screw.
So that's the first term.
Just like really.
And the second term here is plus 4.
I always thought you were very measured in your response. You're not the sort of guy that just says something stupid off the cuff.
And then evaluate any numerical term. So 3 times 4 we can evaluate as 12. 3 times x, you've got 3 lots of x, we can write that as 3x. Now let's look at a different example. What if you have a 3 outside? So 3 times x minus 4. So notice this time, this is why I always highlight this whole term. There's 2 ways we can do that. We can think of this as 3x plus negative 4.
As soon as you get that, because we shouldn't have to, before we do a attendance check, go and read through all those components. Like if it's something that's critical like that, and if she's in the flurry.
So just like before, I highlight the term you're multiplying by in yellow from the outside, and then you have the 2 terms inside.
Yeah. Anyway, have fun.
So we get 3 times x. Now this time I got minus 4. So what I want to do is write the subtract down. Go 3 times 4. It might be easy if you do the second method. If you go 3 times x and then just write plus, and then 3 times negative 4. We end up with 3x subtract 12, or 3x plus negative 12, and they're the same, just 2 ways of writing the same thing. Okay, so carefully study that.
Almost.